Here's how a traditional healthcare system works. You make an appointment, you get stuck in traffic, you wait to see a doctor, you feel agitated. Now imagine if certified doctors and wellness experts are available to speak to you for non-emergency conditions via voice calls, video calls, live chats. Whether you are at home, at the office, business trip, or anywhere in the world, at WebDoc, now there is a much better way to receive truthful medical advice, the way that saves you time, stress, protecting you from unnecessary and potentially harmful procedures and medications. Through our user-friendly interactive mobile app, whatever your health concern, from common cold to chronic disease, you're just a click away from unlimited all-day access with our trained PMDC certified and authorized doctors, telling you the truth about what you need, not what you can afford. We are in reality all-day service to the extent where we can prescribe, refer, or even deliver medicines, connect you to lab services, and refer to physical checkup to panel hospitals only if required. Our doctors speak your language, whether it is English, Urdu, Sindhi, or Pashto. All the information that is shared between you and the WebDoc is strictly confidential. Convenient care is now at your fingertips at no cost to you. Download our app from the Play Store. WebDoc, doctors in your pocket.